Some windows come with a complex half-round shape, like this window here. It is very hard to match the trim shape to the shape of the window if the manufacturers of the window and the interior finish are different. At Buildmart, we're working with stage windows, and stage windows provides us with trim that fits the windows that they made for us. So we know from the beginning that we'll not have any issues with sizes or shapes. Here we have a half-round piece of trim that matches this window. It comes packaged so it doesn't get scratched on the way, and it's made with PVC, same material that the windows are made with. So it's going to match perfectly. It doesn't need any paint. It will never rot. And cleaning is very simple. You can see how big this piece is. Here it is next to the window, so the window is even larger. It's a very big and complex project that's only recommended to be done by professionals. As you can see, the trim is nice and white. It doesn't need any paint. It is already a finished product. It will match this white PVC window perfectly. Hey, stop. Let go completely. Grab it again. Right here. To make complex projects simpler, use a helper or a friend. The complex part is over. The half-round piece of trim is already installed. Now all we need to do is finish the trim around the rest of the window. We'll cover the pilot holes for the screws with special vinyl plugs. Finish the latex and wood filler on the trim, and it's going to look pristine. We highly recommend ordering all your parts from one manufacturer or from one place. Buildmart can provide you with windows, doors, and the trim for the windows and doors that you require. If you have any questions regarding ideas for interior finish of your windows, please contact us anytime. Buildmart is always here to help.